Can Bitcoin break this critical resistance and turn it into support? Why are all the altcoins dumping? And we have an update on the Ethereum 2.0. All that and more in this videos. What up, homies? It's the Crypto Homie back at you with another video. Make sure you guys subscribe to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So diving right into it. This right here, this tweet by Peter McCormick, it describes crypto Twitter right now, the sentiment. He tweeted out, "Give up 12K, stop avoiding the inevitable, hashtag Bitcoin." This is the sentiment of crypto Twitter right now. It's that, hey, Bitcoin, just stop resisting that 12K. You know you want to get there. You know you want to break it. You know you want to hold it as support. And what about these altcoins? What is going on, my homies? You look at the last 24 hours, and look, you got things down 16%, over 10%. Everything's just crashing. You have some that are slightly up, but overall, you go over to TradingView, everything is just slashing down. It's kind of crazy. We got 4, 5, 8%, 12%, like OMG down 3%. You have Ample down 11%. Things are just not looking good. It's like, what's going on there? But what about this crucial resistance that Bitcoin has to break? Well, guys, you see this, teal line right here? It's at approximately $12,500 because that's where our last high was at. Because I'm zooming out here, made the high here. We made a higher low. Then now hopefully we can make a higher high. So we have to break through 12,400. Right now it looks like Bitcoin's it's looking pretty good. You see it on the daily. We're at $11,981 at the time of this recording. So that's not too bad. Let's hang in there. Yesterday's candle was great. The day before was great. So far, if we go to the weekly, we're looking pretty good on the weekly. Look, I showed you guys this, I believe it was yesterday or the day before, right here at $11,926. That's where both of these bodies closed right here. Well, it's where the bodies are at. So like the one closed and the one, fell down after it closed. So, but besides the point though, $11,926. I'm glad we pushed through this. We want to close above that for this daily candle. Obviously getting above 12.5 would be great, but at the very minimum, just closing above $11,930 would be awesome. And right now it's looking good. The candle still has 5 days, and for the weekly, still has 5 days and 9 hours, so it still has some time to go. But going back to the daily, it's looking good. This upward momentum, it's not too fast, it's not too slow. It's just going. Look, we had right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 straight greens. Right here's 4. Let's see, we have 2 more greens. That would push us. That would push us possibly above 12.5, possibly, or at least then getting above like 12.3. So what do you guys think about that? Do you guys think that Bitcoin's gonna break out above 12.5? Because personally, once we get above, let's pull up on the weekly or the monthly. It's easier to see. Once we get above this 14,000, the 13.9 area, that is crucial, major resistance for Bitcoin. And once we break that, homies, 12K, here we go. But going back to the altcoins, as you guys saw when I moved this over, all these altcoins are down, like a lot of them are down 3 to 10%. So it's not looking too good. But at the end of the day, guys, Bitcoin moves first. In 2017, Bitcoin made the all-time high. Then most alts made all-time highs a week to 4 weeks later. So you want to see Bitcoin move. Right now, in my opinion, is a great time to load up on some of these altcoins because you don't want to be buying things at the top. And right now, some of these alts have taken a hit from Bitcoin making a move right now. So I don't know about you guys. What coins are you guys checking out? We're just going to check out a few. We got to follow up. Of course, we got to check out Uni. Let's put it on the daily. Look at this, guys. What did I say we did not want to happen? What did I say in my previous videos we did not want to see? We did not want to see Uni create resistance again at $3.20. And look what happened. Massive red candle to the downside. I was hoping to see it hold at 290. So far it's not. Obviously the candle still has 8 hours and 16 minutes left. So we shall see. But are you guys buying Uni now? Do you guys think it's going to go down below? It found support here at $2 and around 50 cents. We had that analyst on Twitter that says it might hit sub $2. Honestly, I think that would be a great buy. Just keep in mind, homies, all the Uni fans out there, and trust me, I'm a Uni fan too, that Uni gave out 400 free tokens to anybody that used the platform. So there's people that did not sell them up here. There's people that bought. There's people that said, "Oh, I'm not going to sell here," and now there's people in disbelief. I see in the comments now people are saying, "Oh, I think Uni's old project is fading away. It's not legit." Like anymore. And I don't know about you homies, but that to me sounds so bullish because the average person now is getting sick of this. The average person thinks it's not worth anything. That's a great time to buy. That's a contrarian buying indicator. And I just find it like interesting that people are willing to buy all the way up here and then but not buy like down here. Why would you buy up here? This doesn't make any sense. After any kind of launch, you saw with Filecoin, any kind of launch, there's gonna be massive pump to the upside most of the time, like 99% of the time, and then 99% of the time there's a massive dump for the next coming weeks. So you can't really time the top of the pump and then like the bottom, but I just know that this thing, I'm like at the time I wouldn't be surprised if it hit $15 when it first got launched with all those exchanges that like it got put onto. But now as we can see, like looking back, this obviously was the high and we're coming back down. It looks like it's not looking good for Uni as of this time. Obviously this candle still has about 8 hours left. We could see it bounce back up, hold support up here, then tomorrow bounce above and hold this as support. But as of right now, it's holding it as resistance, and that's not good because so far the trend is down. And as the saying goes in investing, the trend is your friend. So right now, the trend is down. Trend is down. I just dollar cost averaging sounds good to me. Oops, I accidentally moved that. But dollar cost averaging it into this over some time, especially if it's under sub $2, would be such a great buy in my opinion, because that version 3 is going to have such a big impact on the price, in my opinion, for the Uni token. I know people are saying, oh, when's it coming out? There's no actual date or anything. Of course there's no date. It's just going to happen. They're just going to do it. It's going to shock the market. And then this thing's going to go from like $2 to like 15. In my opinion, not financial advice. So that's a little update on Uni. We want to see it bounce off 250 if it gets that low. But obviously we'd like to see it bounce up and get above $3.20. In the short term. Obviously, if you've watched my videos, you know that $4.80 area is crucial. So we want to get above there as well. And let's check out some Chainlink real quick. Look, Chainlink, see, all altcoins are down today for the most part. Chainlink, once again, no exception. But look, it found support right here at $10.38. You got some body play right here. You got some, it's just showing like a micro support / resistance right there, and it's holding it so far. So that is good. Fell through, but it's holding it. That's good. Still has obviously 8 hours left. So we shall see what happens there. So that's a little update on some of the alts, as well. I mean, and BNB is down as well. It's kind of disappointed. Had that pump because of the burn, and then, well, everything else is down. So that is that. Guys, the Ethereum 2.0, we got a little update here. It says validators drop off Ethereum 2.0 testnets as mainnet release looms. So let's just hit the highlights. It says if testnet participation is any indication, Ethereum 2.0 validators are itching for the real thing as the network kickoff looms. Only 36% of the necessary 66 participants needed to secure the Medela testnet have stuck around, according to beaconcha.in. That's echoed by the more recent Zinkin testnet, which has just under the 66% needed to function properly as of Monday, according to the beaconcha.in. Those testnets meant to practice the launch of Ethereum's 2.0's Phase 0 this fall, launched in September and October, respectively. So guys, it seems like we got a tiny little update. It's not really that good. It's looking like they're indecision between Medela and Zinkin testnets, so hopefully they can get their stuff together and make Ethereum 2.0 Phase 0 actually happen, so we finally get our Ethereum 2.0, because I think it's a great time to buy some Ethereum, in my personal opinion, not financial advice, as always, homies. I think Ethereum is one of those things that we all forget about because we're all locked up into all these altcoins. It's like, yo, what altcoin should I get? I mean, I think Ethereum, like the grayscale right here, is such a great buy. Ethereum is such a great buy, in my opinion. We'll go to CoinGecko, see the price right now, $372. I think that's a steal. This thing's gonna, in my opinion, surpass the $1,400 all-time high. Just my opinion, though. Alrighty, homies, you guys can always find me at the Crypto Homie, at homie_crypto on Twitter. So if you guys like this video, smash the like button, subscribe for more content, because the Crypto Homie is signing out.